Well, everybody can say, yes, nature is good. Nature is a good thing. But, well, it's not always so easy to prove it. I'm visiting research from Italy, and I'm doing a research period here at the Japan Center for Neuroscientist. In the study we conducted here and designed together, we aim to understand the effects of exposure to nature videos accompanied with calming music. We wanted to understand whether being exposed to these stimuli can help people to reduce stress. So, what is the thing that make you feel better? Is because of the green? It's the plant itself? Is the bio that specific biophilic elements, or it's just the entire environment? So it can be very difficult because there are a lot of variables included. Also, in this study, we used physiological measurements. I had the opportunity to work more directly with this, with the sensor, with the motivator, with the measurements, and I had to develop a code to process, analyze them, and this pushed me to deepen my theoretical knowledge in the physiological physiological field, and how to implement it in research. You can use these two metrics together, the physiological and psychological metrics together, to better understand what, for example, the increase of heart rate in that specific moment means. If it's associated more to anger or just excitement, and give more strength to the psychological response or the psychological measures. Yes. I, of course, love nature, and I grew up in South Italy where you are surrounded by nature. I grew up in the countryside of my grandparents, and so spent every summer in the countryside or at the sea. So, I mean, nature has always been there. But when I started thinking about it more specifically, when I started studying this topic, I really realized the importance. And the fact that nature is good, everybody can say that, but you need to understand it. I believe that this kind of research, this kind of topic, this kind of work can help people to think about the importance of the presence of nature. I think and I believe that every member of this lab is doing a really valuable and inspiring work. So really positive, and I'm very happy about that.